Roll it, roll it, roll it. Hi, this is your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than the Asian takeout. California rolls, burritos, spring rolls. What do these have in common? That's right, they are super delicious, and besides that, there are different kinds of wrap, which means that it's simple and perfect for people on the go. So today we're gonna make kimbap out of seaweed paper. These are the perfect staple for picnics and travels. Today I prepared 3 types of kimbap for you. Ham, and tuna for our vegan followers out there, the homemade hummus. Okay, let's get straight to the agenda and dive into our ingredients. Okay, so let's get started and we will be making the egg omelet first. We're gonna crack all our eggs into this bowl. Of salt here. Just a little bit of sugar, maybe half a teaspoon. I'm gonna turn the heat to high. I'm gonna drizzle our oil here. Be pretty generous because we don't want the omelet to stick to the pan. And once the pan is heated, turn the heat to medium. Try to pour in just 1/3 of your egg. So I'm gonna pour in a little bit here. And remember that these are ingredients that are going inside the kimbap, so people won't know if it's like perfect or not. Let's try and fold this. This is why you gotta oil your pan, guys. And you're gonna move this to this side and you're gonna pour the rest of the egg. Okay, and we're gonna continue doing this. This is actually how you make the Korean style omelet as well. We can try that next time in a different video. See guys, it turns out well, don't worry. And now we're going on to the tuna. So you transfer the tuna into a small ball here. The ratio of the mayo and tuna is 2:1. Okay, mix it well. So for the vegetables, I already have the pickled cucumber here, but the way you pickle them is very simple. Cut the cucumber in half, remove the seeds, cut them into 3 pieces, and then you just soak them in vinegar, sugar, water, all 1-1-1. And maybe you could leave them there for about 10 to 20 minutes. We first gotta peel the cucumber here. I'm gonna use my peeler, and you can also just cut them, but just make sure that they're into these thin, long pieces. The longer the cucumber, it's easier. We're gonna take out our egg now. Oh, it looks so good, it's so brown. And now we're going to heat the pan again. So for our spinach, we need a little bit of garlic. So while we wait, let me prepare that. You have to season all of the ingredients that goes into the kimbap because that's all it is. It's just ingredients with rice. Let's add our carrots into the pan. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Carrots are done when their orange color starts to fade a little. You can boil your spinach, but I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna fry it here. Don't forget to season it. See, kimbap is also about eating with your eyes because it's a very colorful food. This would already have, it's already cut, so it's easier for me. And now we're actually gonna make our kimbap now. Just one step more before we go on to that, we have to season the rice. So seasoning, we add just a little bit, maybe half a tablespoon of vinegar, a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. And we also need our trusted sesame seed oil. And how do you know that it's seasoned well? When you just feel like you can just eat the rice itself, that's when it's ready. Oh, smells so good. Now let's wrap this thing. This is called a pie, the trusted helper. This is just gonna help things contained properly. Guys, there are two sides to the kim. Shinier, the prettier has to be on the outside. Okay, once you've done that, the fun part, we can start stacking. First comes our omelet. It's huge. 2 burdocks, 1 pickled radish, spinach that we have cooked, some cucumber. Why am I keep on saying cucumber? Sorry, carrot. What are we missing? Tuna that has been sitting. Okay, so we're all set. Take this to the end. And the trick to this is to make sure that the end of the rice meets the other end. So you roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and squeeze it as hard as you can. We need the water to stick to the end. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay, we're all set. I left some sesame oil behind. And always comes out a little floppy because it's the end. We have made our first tuna gimbap. Show you like this. Looks amazing. Work on our second gimbap, which is the ham gimbap. Okay, so for the second ham gimbap, we're going to make it without the bamboo roller because I just want to show you guys. And actually, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Guys, ready? Let's roll it. And that's to meet the other end, like this. Okay, so we cut our ham gimbap. Do you see? It's actually prettier because of the pink. Okay guys, our last one. This is our little experiment with you because I myself have not made hummus kimbap. Let's see if it turns out well, if it tastes well as well. So this is my homemade hummus. Spread. Okay, we're done. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, it's actually really pretty. And I think it will taste well. I'm gonna transfer this and now we're gonna go and do the taste test. So our first kimbap was the tuna kimbap. Our omelet is uniquely large in this kimbap. This one was our second one. This is the ham kimbap. The ham tastes amazing. The last one is our hummus kimbap, our experiment today. It tastes amazing, guys, so I'm happy to recommend it to our vegan friends. We're going to drink a little bit of rice punch. This is traditional Korean drink. I'm gonna drink this with my kimbap. So guys, I'm gonna go and enjoy my kimbap. So if you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments if you actually took this to your picnic or your kids' lunch. Have a great day, guys. This was Krazy Thursday, Phoebe. Bye-bye.
그러니까 일주일이라며. 안 잘린데. 엄마 다 먹었는데? 엄마 벌써 이렇게 망가지기? 엄마 미안.